morning students, and welcome to my channel AD Tutorials. Yesterday we have started rational number for class 8 students. So let us today see the properties of rational number. So rational number, what was rational number? Any number that can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q not equals to 0. This was the fundamental theory of rational number. Now let us see the properties of rational number. The first property comes under closure property. So students, don't worry, we will start our course in short modules such that you all don't get bored. So the first property is closure property. Properties of rational number. First property is your closure property. So we all know the four basic functions of mathematics, that are plus, minus, into and divide. Plus is addition, minus is subtraction, into is multiplication, and divide is division. This all we all know. Now let us see closure property for all these functions. So let us start with addition. Operation, that is addition. Plus or addition. So in addition, if we add, in closure property, the first part would be whole numbers. Whole numbers. So let us see for whole numbers, if I add 0 plus 5, it will result as 5. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. All these are whole numbers. Hence we can say addition is closed. Hence we can say addition is closed under whole numbers. Okay, we can say whole numbers are closed under addition, or addition, we can say whole number is closed under addition, not addition. It would be wrong. Hence whole numbers are closed under addition. This is the basic idea you all have understood. Now let's see for subtraction. So 7 minus 2 is equals to 5, but 2 minus 7 is equal to minus 5. This is not a whole number, this is a integer. So we can say, hence, which is an integer. Hence whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Okay, these two properties we have got. Now let's see for multiplication and division. Now let's see for multiplication and division. तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या होता है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या होता है, सपोज 0 3 ज़ा 0, 3 3 ज़ा 9, which are whole numbers, which are whole numbers. Hence we can say, hence whole numbers are closed under, whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Okay, next is division. For simple function like 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1, so we can express it as 1 by 1, p by q form or q not equals to 0. But for some examples like 5 divided by 8, which gives you 5 by 8, it is a fraction, it is not a whole number. This was a whole number, this was a whole number, but this is not a whole number. So we can say which are not whole numbers. Hence whole numbers are not closed under division. So only for addition and multiplication we found the closure property of whole number to be successful, or we can say for addition and multiplication whole numbers are closed, or whole numbers are closed under only addition and multiplication. Hope guys you all have understood this much. Let us see the next property of closure property of integers. Closure property of integers. So closure property of integers will give you first is addition. So minus 6 plus 5 will give you minus 1. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. These all are integers. These all are integers. All are integers. So what can we state here from this? Integers are closed under addition. So hence integers are closed under addition. For subtraction, minus 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 13. 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1. All are integers. All are integers. So hence integers are closed under subtraction, okay. Now let us see for multiplication and division. For multiplication, 5 6 are 30, minus 5 into 6 is equal to minus 30, minus 5 into minus 6 is equal to minus 30, plus 30, which all are integers. Hence integers are closed under multiplication also. Now let us check for division. For division, 5 divided by 6 is equal to 5 upon 6. So is it integer or is it fraction? It is not an integer. It is not an integer. Since it is not an integer, hence integers are not closed under division. Okay? Clear this much? Now let us again recall rational number. Let us again recall rational numbers. Rational numbers. Definition: any number of form P by Q where Q not equals to 0. I earlier said P by Q. P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. So P by Q is of form where Q not equals to 0 is what rational number is. Now let us see the sum of two rational numbers is what? Sum of two rational number. Sum of two rational numbers. Suppose I have 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. I do the basic LCM. LCM would be 2 upon 3. 2 ones are 2. 3 is left. 3, 1, 1. 2 threes are 6. So 1 into 2 how much is 6? 2 threes are 6 plus 2 into 3 how much is 6? 2 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. Okay. So let us find the sum. 3 plus 4 by 6 is equal to 7 by 6, which is again is a rational number. That means sum of two rational number is always a rational number. Understood? Now let's see the difference of two rational number. Let us see with the same example 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 difference of two rational numbers. Difference of two rational numbers. So 1 by 2 minus 2 upon 3, the LCM was 6, 1 3s are 2, 3s are 6, so 3 is multiplied here, minus 2 into 3 2s are 6. So it will give you 3 minus 4 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 6. So it is of the form P by Q, where P is negative. P is some integer which is negative and Q is not equal to 0. Hence difference of two rational number is also difference of two rational numbers is also a rational number. Clear this much? Now let us see the product of two rational numbers. Same example, same numbers I will take. Products of two rational number, 1 by 2 into 2 by 3, which will give you 2 to cut 1 upon 3, which is a rational number. Hence product of two rational numbers are always rational. Okay, understood this much? Addition, subtraction, multiplication is over. Now let us see for division. In division, it is possible for some integers, it is possible that it comes rational number, but for one anomalies or for only one single number, that is a divided by 0. So if I see 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3, we can write this number as 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. So it becomes 3 upon 4, which is a rational number. But if a divided by 0 or 3 divided by 0, that will give you 3 by 0, and a rational number cannot have denominator as 0, which is never a rational number. So I hope you all have understood this much.